Now, it's one thing to put a tariff on something to be competitive, because if we make a product here and the same product is made in China but for a lot cheaper, a tariff could help level that playing field. But what if we don't make coffee or mangoes or avocados here? 99% of all toaster ovens, for example, are made in China. We don't make these things here. So it's not like we're helping our own homegrown manufacturers make these products. We're just paying more for it. And I think to try to get us back to a manufacturing-based economy is really not something that we're the best at. We are a service-based economy. We have a very big surplus when it comes to services, software, legal, financial, entertainment. The point is, I think the economy could take a big hit, but I think the stock market will bounce around. We could see it retest its lows, but then it'll come back, and I think we'll be fine. So I think investors could keep investing and be confident that the U.S. stock market is still a really good place to grow their wealth over time.